Let's move towards different parts of a circle. This is called center of a circle. The boundary of circle is called circumference. Distance from center to boundary is called radius. Twice time of radius is called diameter. Line segment whose end points are on boundary of a circle is called chord. Tangent is a line that touches the circle at one point. Sector is an area between two radii. Segments are different portions of a circle. Arc is smaller part of circumference. Area is anything or the region inside a circumference is called area. Thank you for watching the video.